Discover the health benefits and how to use the Kanuda Lumbar nap for relieving lumbar spine pain. The Kanuda Lumbar nap is a sacral still point pressure pillow designed to mimic a physical therapy session at home by stimulating pressure points of the sacrum and lower back. The groove of the sacrum helps alleviate lower back pain, aid in stretching, and exercises during the day. Its natural bending lumbar spine curvature applies pressure to the sacral still point in the lower back to relieve the stress and pain caused by compression. To effectively use the spine nap for a strained back due to poor posture, place the lumbar traction nap on the floor. Lie down on your back so that the sacrum groove on the nap is positioned directly underneath your sacrum. This position restores the natural curvature of the spine. The lumbar nap and the head nap can also be combined to relieve tension in the head, neck, and spine. The head nap alleviates stress and anxiety by stimulating cerebral spinal fluid motion in and around the head and is Kanuda's most popular product. Together, they work to effectively relax the whole body.